मैंने जो गलती की है वो मैं आपको तो करने नहीं दूंगी. So let's make you zero to hero or hero to superhero in the world of thriller books. Hi, I'm the slowest reader on a mission to glamorize books and bookstores, so much so that reading becomes the new cool. And in this video, I am going to give you the ultimate roadmap for reading thriller books. No matter whether you are a beginner reader or an advanced reader, this video has something for everyone so that you can enjoy thriller books to its maximum potential. So grab a coffee and let's start yapping. देखो, मार्केट में बहुत सारे थ्रिलर बुक्स हैं. इट कैन गेट सो कंफ्यूजिंग विच बुक टू पिक, बट कौन सा थ्रिलर बुक पढ़े से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कौन सा थ्रिलर बुक किस वक्त पढ़े. ट्रस्ट मी, रीडिंग अ थ्रिलर बुक एट द राइट टाइम ऑफ योर रीडिंग जर्नी कैन मेक और break the entire reading experience. I'm a living proof of that. The only reason I didn't enjoy these two very good, very popular books is because I picked them at the wrong time and I don't want you to do the same mistake. So this video is for everyone who wants to A, start their thriller reading journey, B, doesn't know which book is best for them, and C, you just want great thriller book recommendation. So basically this thriller guide has three stages. Stage 1 is for beginners, stage 2 is for intermediate readers, and stage 3 is for advanced readers, along with some popular author and book recommendations. Technically you can skip to the part which is useful for you, but I would highly recommend you to go through the stages one by one, because to get the best value out of book 5 you need to read book 1, 2, 3 and 4 serially. Before I even begin talking about these stages, there are two Maha golden rules of reading a thriller book that you need to know. Number one, do not read the blurb. हाथ जोड़ती हूँ आपके, गलती से भी thriller books के blurb पढ़ने की गलती मत कर देना, because it spoils the reading experience to a large extent, especially for Frida McFadden books. Not once I have read the blurb of any of my thriller books and I have enjoyed most of them because पेज 1 से मेरे लिए वो बुक सरप्राइज था. इसीलिए आप देखोगे कि मैं भी अपने वीडियोस में ज्यादा प्लॉट डिस्कस नहीं करती हूँ. इनफैक्ट आई वुड रेकमेंड कि अगर आप किसी और की भी वीडियो देख रहे हो एंड इफ दे स्टार्ट टेलिंग यू द प्लॉट ऑफ अ थ्रिलर बुक डिस्क्रिप्टिवली, प्लीज स्किप दैट पार्ट. ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप बुक का थीम या वन लाइनर प्लॉट पता कर लो, चैट जीपीटी कर लो, बट उससे ज्यादा आपको आई डोंट थिंक सो जानने की जरूरत है. द लेसर यू नो द बेटर इट इज. एंड रूल नंबर 2 इज ऑलवेज चेक द रिव्यू. देखो, दूसरे जॉनर्स में मैं अंडररेटेड बुक या अनएक्सप्लोर्ड बुक्स पढ़ना हाईली रेकमेंड करती हूँ, बट फॉर थ्रिलर बुक्स I don't take any chances. Bhai, I can't read 300 pages, invest my time and energy in a thriller book to get nothing at the end, no how effect at the end. And when you read an underrated or unpopular thriller book, the chances of that happening is pretty high. I never see what is the plot of the book, but I always see what is the reaction of people towards that book. If most people love it or people I follow like it, then I'll pick it up. So if you want to have a great time with thriller books, do not read the blurb and always check the review. Now let's get into the stage 1 of this thriller guide. तो इस स्टेज में दो तरह के लोग हो सकते हैं. या तो आपने एक भी थ्रिलर बुक नहीं पढ़ी है, यू आर कंप्लीटली न्यू, या तो आपने एक दो बुक पढ़ी है बट यू आर स्टिल अ बिगनर. And for this stage, there are two authors that will be perfect for you. First one, of course, no surprise here, is Frida McFadden. Her books are the most bingeable popcorn thrillers you will ever see. Super fast paced, very engaging, and super duper easy to consume. Internet की सबसे viral book, The Housemaid, is the best book to start your thriller reading journey with. और अगर आपने हाउसमेड ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुकी है, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली रीड द हाउसमेड सीक्रेट एंड द हाउसमेड इज वॉचिंग द सेकेंड एंड द थर्ड बुक ऑफ दैट सीरीज. और एक बार आपने ये तीनों बुक्स पढ़ ली, देन यू मस्ट रीड नेवर लाई. नेवर लाई इज द बेस्ट वर्क बाय फ्रीडा मैकफेडन टिल नाउ. मी दैट बुक विल इग्नाइट द क्रेज of thriller books in you. But हाँ, हाउसमेट पढ़ने के बाद नेवर लाई पढ़नी है, नेवर लाई पढ़ने के बाद हाउसमेट नहीं पढ़ना है. प्लीज कीप दैट इन माइंड. नाउ वंस यू हैव रेड ऑल द 4 बुक्स, यू आर ऑलमोस्ट रेडी टू गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेज. बट इफ यू फील लाइक कि नहीं यार, मुझे थोड़ी और बिगिनर बुक्स पढ़नी है, या यू जस्ट एंजॉयड फ्रीडा मैकफेडन सो मच, देन दीज आर सम ऑफ हर अदर ग्रेट वर्क्स दैट यू कैन पिक. फ्रीडा मैकफेडन के अलावा देयर इज अनदर ऑथर जिनकी बुक्स आर परफेक्ट फॉर बिगनर्स, बट ही इज अ लिटिल controversial on the internet and pro readers may not agree with me, but trust me, his books gets the job done. The author is none other than Chetan Bhagat. Now before you judge me, Hear me. I was a complete beginner. The only thriller that I actually understood and enjoyed was by Chetan Bhagat. Point being, when you are a beginner, the priority is not just reading the book, the priority is being interested in the book. For a complete beginner, books by Indian authors can be more engaging than books by foreign authors. Obviously, अगर story Indian based होती है तो आप ज़्यादा connect कर पाते हो because of relatability and familiarity. So if you want to read an Indian book to start your thriller reading journey, you can definitely pick up The Girl in Room Number 105 by Chetan Bhagat. As a beginner, that book just kept me hooked the entire time. In fact, abhi bhi I feel that the way that book ended was really unique. Apart from this book, here are some other thrillers by Chetan Bhagat. I haven't read them, but you can check it out if you want to. Once you have read all these books, you are ready for stage 2. Now, this is a stage where you are ready to pick up a thriller book that has more depth in characters and storyline, but you still want the book to be fast paced and engaging. This is the stage जहां लोग सबसे ज्यादा गलती करते हैं. हाउसमेड और नेवर लाइफ पढ़ने के बाद सीधा गॉन गर्ल और साइलेंट पेशेंट उठा लेते हैं. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना है. हाईली फास्ट पेस बुक पढ़ने के बाद हाईली स्लो पेस बुक पे जंप मारने से you can totally ruin the experience of reading those books. And that's why we have this intermediate stage, and the most perfect books to read in this stage are Love Mom by Ileana Zender. It is super twisty, super addictive. Listen for the Lie by Amy Tentera. It is the juiciest thriller I have ever read. Finland on a One is killing it. It has the best dark humor and it is highly entertaining. And the iconic Good Girl's Guide to Murder by Holly Jackson, which has the best combination of emotions and thrill. All these books have more depth and substance than stage 1 books, but they are highly entertaining and engaging. They will keep you hooked the entire time with a solid haw effect in the end. If you ask me which one of these books to pick first, I will go with Love Mom followed by the others. Once you have read all these books, congratulations, because now you are ready for the ultimate thriller experience at stage 3. High stage 3 books will have the biggest impact in your mind, body and soul. You will question your entire existence and stare at the wall thinking what the hell just happened. You will also have to be patient with these books, invest some time because the pacing will be slow to medium. If you haven't read these, you haven't actually known thriller. So here is a list of 5 best thriller books of all time. Rock Paper Scissors by Alice Feeney, Verity by Colin Hoover, The Last Word by Taylor Adams, The Silent Patient by Alex Michaelides, and The Only One Left by Riley Sager. All these books have fucked with my mind completely. I think about them till date, and trust me, the twistedness of these books is going to make you crazy. Now, I won't get into the details of these books because I have a full length video dedicated to them on my channel. It's my personal favorite, so you must check it out. And once you have read all the books of stage 3, you have officially entered and conquered the thriller book world. But now it's decision time. In fact, it's the most important part of this video. एक बार आपने सारे stages के thriller books पढ़ लिए, फिर आप decide करोगे कि आपको किस category के thriller books पसंद आते हैं. For example, stage 3 की जो books हैं, वो सभी popular books हैं, but वो सभी thriller books different styles of thrillers हैं. और ऐसा बिल्कुल हो सकता है कि आपको एक book बहुत पसंद आए और एक बुक बिल्कुल भी पसंद ना आए. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपको स्टेज 3 की कोई भी बुक पसंद ना आए because you like your books to be bingeable. It is totally possible and there's nothing wrong with that. Just read all the books I mentioned in all the 3 stages to figure out what works for you and what doesn't. If you feel character-driven stories give you more impact, read Holly Jackson, Lisa Joel, or Charlie Donovan. If you feel plot and plot twist matter more, then go for Alice Feeney, Agatha Christie, or John Mars. But if you want a mix of both, character-driven plus thrill, then go for Andrea Mara, Riley Sager, or Nidhi Upadhyay. And if you want to read some sci-fi thrillers, then these are some of the best options. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you found this video informative. I hope I could help you in navigating the world of thriller books. Let me know who is your favorite thriller author and anything that you want to share in the comment section related to this video. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please consider supporting and subscribing to this Book Kanya, and I will see you in the next one.